Namaskaram. Midweek, I'm here to share a story with all of you which really resonated with me and touched my heart. Story is dedicated to my Amma who left us a month ago on this day, Jan 17th. The story is by Sunil Satyendra, pen name Pungi Dasa, a story which really touched my heart and I think was true to what Amma lived as or was proud to live as. Amma of Anaga and Anandita than being her own self or her name Jaya Prasad. That's how she was. Amma and proud to be an Amma than her own, that as her own identity. In the description box below, I shall leave the links to Sunil Satyendra's other works. Please do go and check it out and encourage him. One day, it was the test day and I was sitting there looking at the question paper. I didn't know the answer to one question. Next to me was the class topper. Hey, do you know the answer to this question? I asked. You don't know the answer to that question? That's the only question you should actually know the answer for. She said, I really didn't know the answer. I was wondering what could be the answer to that question. It was the moral science and general knowledge paper that day and I had no clue. The paper went with questions with marks. The first question was, write the school prayer for 5 marks. I wrote, it's quite easy. Then there was general knowledge questions with what is the capital of India, what could be the national bird, national animal. All that I knew, I wrote and I was quite happy. Then came the family questions. The place where you live. Father's name. Mother's name. Each for 1 mark. And I was stuck there. And I tried to peep into hers to see if I'll know the answer. If I can copy. Miss, he's copying, she said. I was like, why can't she just cooperate is what I thought. Sunil, are you copying? What is this? Moral science paper? Honesty? What happened to all of that? Miss, I don't know the answer to this question. That's why I was asking her. So you will copy, is it? Which question don't you know the answer? The teacher asked. I pointed out and said, this question. This is the only question you should actually know the answer, Sunil, said the teacher too. Even the teacher is saying the same, but I didn't know the answer to that question. How can you not know this? Asked the teacher. I don't know the name of my mother. And as soon as I had told that, the whole class burst out laughing. I felt so embarrassed that I just burst into tears. The teacher took me outside and said, okay, it's okay. Now tell me, could you answer the other questions? Yes, ma'am, I could answer everything, miss. Okay, where do you live? I answered, ma'am, it's Bengaluru. And what was your father's name? Satyendra, I answered. How did you know it's Satyendra? My tata used to call him Satyendra. Not used to, still calls him Satyendra. Okay. What do they call your mother? I call her Amma. Amma and only Amma. I don't know her name at all. And I burst into tears and I cried and said, Amma is the only thing I know. I call her only Amma. And I was crying. She said, okay, fine. Write what you want and give me the paper. I wrote the paper and I gave it to her. And I was really low that day. Went back home. And as soon as I saw Amma, I just went and hugged her. She knew something was wrong. She asked, what happened? Did you fall? Did something happen? Are you hungry? She asked me all this. I just looked at her face and said, no, What is your name? Tell me now. What is this? You're asking my name? What happened? Tell me. Today I had test, no? One of the questions for 1 mark was, what is your name? Mother's name. And I didn't know. I wrote Amma, and when I told this, the whole class started laughing, and I told whatever had happened that day. She also started laughing, and I said, see, even you're laughing and you're not telling. Amma. And I cried. She also hugged me with tears in her eyes. And then she said, my name is Bharati. That is the end of the story. And that, well, leaving it to all of you as to how you interpret it or what resonates with you from that story. But for me, it was Amma who lived as just Amma than her own name or her own self. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.